One of my client was asking me to create a notification bar on his website. So I did lots of research, and I was doing lots hard work. I was using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it was taking lots time. But finally, I got a solution, that was Bootstrap batch. So with the help of Bootstrap batch, I can create amazing and beautiful Bootstrap batch, and you can easily create on a notification and different type of things.
Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about the Bootstrap batch. Okay, so batch are used to add additional information to any content. Okay, so it is one of the useful thing. So you can use easily different type of the batch in the Bootstrap. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. So first of all, I'm going to in the getbootstrap.com. Then after that, I'm clicking in the docs. After that, I'm copying this code, that is include bootstraps CSS and JS. I'm copying this one. Then I am just coming here in the Sublime text, and I'm just pasting this one. Okay. Okay, so I'm just pasting this one here by pressing Ctrl+B. Okay, sorry, Ctrl+B. Then I'm saving it by pressing Ctrl+S. Okay. Now after that, I'm just giving the file name is Bootstrap batch. Okay. Okay, so I'm just giving that Bootstrap batch, and I'm saving it. So now we can see I created a simple type of the web pages. So if I right click, if I click in the open browser, so let me check what will happen. So now we can see hello world. It is Bootstrap is giving me like that. Okay, so I'm changing the title. So I'm just giving this one in the Bootstrap batch, and this one also Bootstrap batch. Okay, hello Bootstrap batch. Bootstrap batch, like that. Okay. Okay, so let's start to create the Bootstrap batch. Okay, so it's too much easy and simple to create Bootstrap batch. Okay, so for this one, for example, if I want to create the H1, so I'm just creating the first Bootstrap. Okay, then inside the H1 I can create a span. Okay, so I can give giving the example batch, and I'm closing the span tag. So for the span tag, I'm giving a class. Okay, so the class should be batch. Okay, and again I'm giving the batch. Sorry, I have to give the background, so I'm just giving the warning. So if I save it, let me check what will happen in my web browser. So now we can see I created a simple type of the batch. Okay, so you can create the batch inside the S2 also. So if I create the S2 and I'm just giving second Bootstrap batch, and I'm giving the span tag again. Okay, then inside span I'm just giving second batch. Okay, then I'm just giving the class again, and the class would be batch bg minus danger. Okay, danger. Okay, like that, and I'm just giving so now I'm saving it by pressing Ctrl+S, and I'm reloading in my web page. So now we can see my another batch is created. So you can create a different type of the batch inside your heading. Okay, so it is one of the easiest method, and you can change the your batch color by using bg minus, and then after that you have to give the Bootstrap color. If you didn't watch our previous video related with Bootstrap color, then I recommend you to watch that video. Okay, so we are uploading a series of Bootstrap classes, so you can get all those classes in free of cost in our YouTube channel. Okay, so after that, I'm if I change the background color in the success, let me check what will happen. If I change it in the success, and our so So now we can see this is the success color. So you can change the background color as per your requirement. Okay, so you can create a peel type of badge also. Okay, so for that one, for example, if I want to create a badge, so I'm just giving a BR tag here for the break. After that, I am just creating a span tag here, span. Then after, I'm just giving the primary batch, and I'm giving a class for this one. Okay, so after that, I am just using a class. The class is batch, and again I am using the batch minus peel, sorry, rounded minus peel, or rounded minus peel, and I am saving it, and I am just giving the background color BG minus primary. Okay, so let me check what will happen in my web browser. So now we can see a small primary batch came inside my web pages. Okay, so you can create various type of the peel type of the batch also. So for example, I want to create another batch. Okay, so for that one, I'm just creating a H1. Okay, then I'm again creating a span. I'm creating the success batch. Okay, then after that, I'm giving a class here. The class is batch rounded minus peel BG minus success. Okay, let me check in the browser what will happen. Okay, so now we can see here is a success batch came, right? So in this way, you can create the rounded peel or peel type of the badges in Bootstrap. Okay, so you can create an element inside a batch. Okay, so for that one, if you want to create an element inside your batch, so I'm creating a BR here. Okay, so I'm just creating a button here first of all. Okay, I'm just giving message like that. Then after that, I'm creating a span, and inside the span, I'm just giving the 10. Okay, and I'm giving a class here. Okay, then I'm just giving a class bash BG minus danger, and for the button, I'm just giving a class. The class is btn minus primary. Okay, so let me check what will happen in my button. Okay, so now we can see here is a button or an element available inside a button. So using this technique, you can easily create different type of thing. Hoping that you get few ideas. So today in this video, we discuss about the Bootstrap badge, and we'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.